Hello everybody, we're looking at the Galaxy DX44 HP. This is Galaxy's replacement for the old DX44V. This is a tune-up report for Robert in New Jersey. Robert, on the watt meter here we're looking at 10 watts all the way across the top. Clearly close to 10 there, and if I turn it all the way down, turn the mic gain down, it's about 1 watt there. Bring the power back up, now there's 50 watt slug, looking at 50 watts in the middle, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I'm going to skip out there.